It's okay, you can make noise. Alright guys, what is going on? We have here a big box. We're gonna open it. I've been waiting for these for a little bit. As you can tell in the title, they are tail lights for the Mercedes. I got myself a little Halloween present. Alright, so let's get this open and show you guys the insides. Oh yeah, look at this. It was well packaged. These are, oh, look at that nice that looks. Honey, look. It's a facelift model. What is this? I think this might be the, yes, just the right side. The LEDs. Oh, it's gonna look nice. It already comes with everything inside, so you don't need to add any light bulbs or anything. You just put it on. I want to do it now, but it's I don't know if it's still raining out there or not. We'll see. But this one looks nice. Look how nice this one looks. Nice LEDs. Oh yeah. Goes on the right side. Definitely what the Mercedes need is some LED lights. Mostly because the left one's also broken here. This part right here is broken. They might have broken it in the accident or something, but we have one more here, and then we're gonna start putting this on the car. Should be fairly easy. You got like what? Got 3 bolts right here. You got 1, 2, 3. Okay, never mind, and 4 right here on the top. So 4 bolts. Remove those, put these in, and see how it looks. Alright guys, we're outside. We got the tail lights right here. We're gonna remove, I believe, the right side first. Should be simple. 4 nuts in the back. There's one right there. I'm not sure what size it is. I'm gonna let you guys know in a little bit what size that is, so I can help you guys out. Just showing you guys, this is the before. I'm gonna turn the lights on so you guys can see the lights. I think that should be the lights. Hold on. Hey, that should be lights. I see the light bulbs on. Alright, let's get to removing this tail light. Alright, so we were able to remove, it ends up being an 8mm. So it's an 8mm to remove these. And I removed the first one, 3 more to go. And then we're gonna pull off this tail light. These ugly tail lights because, yeah, they're not LEDs. Alright guys, we're going to remove all 4 of them. I know there's 3, but I dropped one in there. I'm going to pick it up. But you also have to remove this part, which is connected to the harness. We're ready to pull this off. There's the other one I dropped. I'm just going to pick that up real quick. Yeah, just going to pull it. Alright guys, so we were able to remove the tail light. We're going to go upstairs, show you guys the difference between this, and turn this car off. Look at all that smell is coming out, the smoke is coming out. Alright. Let's go. Show you guys how it looks. So, ready for inspection. Alright guys, so we have here the new ones. These are the old ones. Look at the difference between the LED one and non-LED ones. It's gonna be nice. Alright, let's get these outside installed and ready to roll. So we'll see you guys outside. Alright, we got the emergency light on. We're gonna go and turn the light on. See how it looks with the lights on. There we go. That looks pretty nice. Oh yeah, look at that thing. Well, now we got this one. And we're gonna turn the lights on, make sure everything's working. Yep, they're on. Oh, these look like they have the lights here. These out. So these might be up though. Those up there, you see. Pisa el freno, ya. Suéltalo. Otra vez. Ok, gracias. Yeah. Alright, guys. There goes the. Let me return my stuff over here. And then put this in here. There you go. Alright, we got the tail lights working. I'm gonna put my stuff away and then show you guys at night how good it looks.